Hi everyone, I am back. Thank you for all the support from my first episode. Now I'm introducing you the second episode, which is called Sambal Dried Prawns, and in Hokkien is Sambal Heavy. So these are the ingredients: dried prawns, dried chili, onion, shallot, belacan, lemongrass, Asam Jawa, sugar, and last of all, my Donald Duck. The first step of the process is to blend these ingredients into a paste. Second step is to blend the dried prawns into small pieces like this. Third step is to dilute the Asam Jawa into water. And step 4, the shallots are blended into this type of texture. Pour the chili paste into the blended onion. Mix the chili paste and the onion together. Use approximately 5 tablespoons of oil to saute the blended chili bowl and shallots. Saute until aroma rises. Add in the Asam Jawa water. Continuously stirring until the paste is thickened. Then add in the blended dried prawns. Keep on stirring for at least half an hour until the sambal heavy is dry. Add sugar to taste. Keep stirring until the texture is like this. Now the sambal heavy is ready to serve. Can last for a few weeks if stored in the fridge. My grandson takes it back to Scotland. This is how I eat my sambal heavy. I take a piece of bread, butter it, and then put the sambal heavy onto the bread. Fold it up and put inside your mouth. And eat it up. Yummy. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching my video. It is very spicy and I hope you don't shed tears while eating it. 我看到下禮拜 with something new.